flying. It's -7, very cold. We finished fast. Beautiful church. So now we're going to go and visit the church. Whoa, that's ice. We're going to go visit the church and see how it looks from close up. And they have bulichka, tea, coffee, pizza, food. So go and warm up a little bit because it's so cold. Hands are freezing. But it was a nice day, nice flying. Just super cold. To keep warm is difficult when your hands are trying to focus on the small stick. But very nice area. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like and share. See you next time.